Spots needed. Running order is going to be Billy, Nick Ellis, Alex Villa, and Pete Farmer. Just need one more marshal, guys. That back corner, we got it. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. All right, marshals, watch those corners. Billy on the tone. Nick Ellis, Alex Villa, James Bell, Pete Farmer, and Alex Hamilton. Missing quite a few here in this one, guys, so an open track for you. Get those clean laps in there. Looking for 3 fast ones in a row. All right, first one with 3 laps here. Looks like it's going to be Billy. And put him on 128.3. Nick Ellis, 130.2. And Pete Farmer jumping up in there now with a 130 flash. So we got Billy leading this one. His hot lap there, 26.6. He can put a couple more together now. Like Ellis with his hot lap, Farmer with his hot lap. Farmer now from the background, 25.4. With his fast lap, puts him out front. 122 with a 1. And Billy looking to do a little work here. Trying to put it back on top, see what he's got here. It was 29.7, not going to be enough. He's going to have to pick it up a little bit. 1:30 to go. Alex Villa doing a little bit of work now up to that 3 spot.
One minute left.
All right, under a minute to go. Pete Farmer out front. Billy Villa hot lap on his last one there. See if he can put a couple more together here. Billy looks like he's on the reset. Farmer, he thinks got time for a couple more good ones here. Farmer just working up into that top 10 right now.
Thirty seconds left. Fifteen seconds left.
So I can see you do a little bit of work now, jumping up in that 2 spot in front of Billy here. Time has expired. Keep going to your hearing aid.
Nick Ellis done. Alex Villa done. Old Man Billy done. Heat farmer done.
All right, looks like I got a new heat farmer. Get it done. Up in the top 10 there. 129, he 120 for the 6. And Hughes, 123 to 2. Up, down, out, Martin, put it on the line.